Alright guys, so we have bought the builder over here, putting together a little something that we got for the house. I'm pretty excited because we're finally kind of starting to like put things together. We got in some new rugs. We're gonna be getting some, a coffee table finally. So I'm pretty excited. Tell them what we have.
We have a bar cart. So you see those fancy
Michael's living for the bar cart. He's like jumping up and down. But
you chose it. So.
I did choose it. I chose it because we have a little corner in the kitchen that's a little empty, and I was like, what can we put there? And then I was like, boom, bar cart. And then I was like, I don't know if it's a great idea, but it's gonna look cute. So we're probably gonna put apple juice, because I'll show you guys right now, but we even got one of those little like fancy schmuncy, like, you guys know what I'm talking about? The ones in the movies where all the bad guys, they go in their office and then they pour it and then they drink it out of that thing. One of those. So we're probably gonna put juice in there. Oh, is it already built? Oh.
Right outside, please.
Hold on. So it's a 2-seater bar cart. It's pretty cute. It's pretty cute, and I'm gonna link everything down below. So here's a preview. It's gold, cute, and it actually is like the kind of gold that we have in the kitchen. So I'm pretty excited.
So first off, instructions, right?
Michael's gonna have a heart attack over everything that's on the floor.
What?
Nothing.
Okay guys, so everything is pretty much assembled. We did it in about...
Why is one like this?
I'm sure we can probably fix that. We're probably about 15 minutes in. Yeah, loosen it up, so.
Oh, there we go. That's
what are we, about 15 minutes in?
Yeah.
And we got just the glass. We just have to put in the glass and clean. My favorite part.
His favorite part, everybody. So we just got put on the glass and we're done.
And we're done.
I love that.
Guys, check it out.
That's cute. Ready for the apple juice.
Apple juice?
Yeah, we're gonna put apple juice.
Not me. Okay, can you grab that bottom? Because I'm gonna let it go. There you go. Thank you, gal.
Wow, you're smashing my fingers.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh.
There we go. I'm coming. Beep, 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 beep. All right, now we're gonna vacuum with Michael's new favorite gadget. Show them. Show them so you can see. Although he might want to be returning it and upgrading. I think he should just upgrade de una vez, because I feel like, I pulled it out of the stand and it came all out. I feel like he should just upgrade now and like get its use of the new one than like upgrading in the year. Because he's already like, oh, I wish it lasted.
There's nothing wrong with it though.
Okay.
It's just the only thing is the battery doesn't last long.
But I've heard you complain about that several times, so it is kind of a big deal.
I complain, I'm a perfectionist, so I'll complain about everything, but I figured out that I'll use it for about 45 minutes and then I'll let it charge and I'll go and do something else and then I'll get back to it, so.
That's not what you've been saying to me, so that's not how he's been complaining to me, so it's up to you guys if you guys believe it, but I think he should just get the better one and then just get it over with. Like, just keep that one for a few years and it has
There's
a
a difference between complaining and venting. So sometimes I vent, but it sounds like complaining. Likewise that way. So, I don't know. We gotta figure that out. Sometimes you gotta figure that out. There's venting and there's complaining.
It's kind of the same thing though, because let me look it up.
Oh my god. Get out of here. Give him some action of my, show my action right here.
Hold on. Venting.
Okay, it's up to you guys if I should take it back and get like a more powerful one that lasts longer. So show them so they can see some of what it does.
Venting is an acknowledgement of your emotion around a subject. Complaining is pretty passive and it's usually never going to come a resolution until this person stops whatever you're unable to handle. You're unable to handle that it doesn't go for more than 40 minutes. Because you say it every time, like, oh, I just wish it was longer. I always perfect. Wish it was longer. Just wish it lasted.
When I have a beer, I wish it lasted longer. But I'm not gonna go buy a cake. You know what I mean? So, okay.
But you do have another beer in the fridge. So. It's pretty nice, guys, honestly. Honestly, it's pretty cool.
It works well.
I've used it in my room. It works good. The only problem with it is that it only lasts 40 minutes. And so if you're really trying to get in, like on a Sunday, you know, you put on your music and you're really trying to get in, that's not enough time.
But I like it because I can go outside, I can go doorways with it, I can go entryways, I can go garages, I can go high, above cabinets, above ceilings.
It has a lot of little like parts.
So that's the cool part. That's why I want to keep it, is because it's very mobile.
But the other one doesn't do all of that either?
It comes along. So there's another one called, it has like a ball on it. It's called...
The Dyson.
It's a Dyson, but it has like a ball and it's more stationary, but it moves around, but it's just a lot more to bring with you to go everywhere. This one I just...
He really does be doing that. I'm not joking. The first day that he got it, he was like in the backyard, on top, on whatever, going in. But I tried it in my room and it's nice because it goes into, let me show them the little part. So because this, because this bends like this, it goes into whatever crevice with, like, I would have to show you guys to explain, but it's a good thing.
Off the top, and then you just add this little thing and you got a little gun.
You can also do the car. So anyways, Dyson sponsor me, please. No, but seriously. I would love a Dyson sponsorship. That would be very lovely. Okay, so anyway, we are going to put the bar cart. Are we gonna show them the corner where the bar cart's gonna go?
I'd like to.
All right, guys, so this is what it looks like here. Isn't it cute? Up here we have our calendar, but we need to add some like picture frames or something up here. So there's that, and then this is the thing that I was talking about. We got it at Ross, and it's like a little 5-piece whiskey set. So we're gonna go ahead and set that up. We'll probably put some like wine bottles in here. So I don't know, once we put it together, we'll vlog this so you guys can check out like how it ended up looking. But I'm pretty excited for this little corner, so it's gonna be cute. And I like that this kind of matches the our, what are they called? The lights?
Light fixtures?
The light fixtures. So it's kind of perfect. But probably gonna go on TikTok to look for inspo because there's a lot of like bar cart inspiration. Alright guys, so we just went to the Asian market. I'm making Michael the quickest little michi. Why do you call it like that?
Because I'm gonna turn on the fire.
Michelada. We also got some oysters. Hand-picked oysters, so I'm really excited because you guys know I love oysters, and he's been putting them on the grill lately. We also got a little bit of shrimp, and we got calamari steaks for the first time, so we're gonna be putting them on the grill and kind of just seeing a ver like como salen. So wish us luck. And then also, can you show me the Trader Joe's? We love to get cheating here, but we love to get this stuff, this chow mein from Trader Joe's. So we'll show you guys kind of how we mix it in. So the plan is to make this and then mix in the calamari.
Calamari and shrimp.
Calamari and shrimp.
And shrimp.
So we kind of like it up even though it's frozen, you know? Okay
guys, so I got the barbecue fired up and I'm gonna prepare some shrimp for you guys. Quick shrimp recipe, not really a recipe because I went and picked up the chili paste from the store, but it's quick and easy. Here we like to get things done quick and easy. So okay guys, so I got the shrimp all washed up, and we're gonna start with a little bit of olive oil, and then we're gonna put some lemon and lime, And then there's this paste that we picked up right here. It's like a chili paste from the Asian market. We're gonna throw a lot of that in there. We're gonna make little shrimp skewered, a little more lemon. I'm gonna put like a little sprinkle of cilantro. It's cause I like cilantro with everything. And we're just gonna mix up. Let me mix it with something good. Let me just mix with these spoons here. So what we like to do, we like to keep the shell on the shrimp, so it keeps the flavor. What happens is the flavors get locked into the shell there, and they keep the shrimp's flavor. Okay guys, there you have it. All right guys, so we got these oysters from our local Asian fish market, and it's great because we get to hand pick them. The fire's ready to go.
So a lot of times I eat them raw, but lately, because I've been having them raw for a while, I like them on the grill.
You like it raw or what?
Stop. Kind of gives them a different taste. All right, and then over here we have the camarones.
Let's go to the barbecue, please.
Michael whipped up a little salsita. Se la inventó.
Well, I picked it from the store. They seen it. Isn't it spicy?
Oh, it's the ooh. That's hella spicy. Oh my god. What? We'll show you guys what it is in a little bit, but I'll let you guys know. It looks cool and it's spicy from the smell, but I want to see if it actually tastes good.
This right here is our
calamari steak.
Calamari steak here. I'm gonna put it up here higher. Squid, if you know it.
And some corn. Sorry guys, the AC is like right by us, so it's like going off right now. All right, so this is what it's looking like. We're still kind of copying over that, so it's pretty strong. I think they got little.
It's spicy, bro. Isn't it?
It has good flavor. Oh, but it does have one of those that bitter taste.
Does it?
Yeah.
So guys,
spicy?
Yeah, we just picked that up just to try it out. That's the first time we ever picked up that type of chili paste.
Like really figure out. All right, so like I showed you guys before, these are the chicken chow mein noodles that we're gonna be making, and then we're just gonna be adding the calamari to it. All right, so we have some of the calamari. Now we're just gonna add that in there. Mike left some of it on the grill. I just wanted to mix it in here so it kind of gets some of this flavor. All right, so here it is, and then we're just gonna top it with some of those, and we are ready to look at what I got in the oven, you guys. It's my superfood cookies. I forgot to film while I was making them, but they're almost ready. Michael's watching basketball. You guys, look at my hair. What is my hair doing right now? What is this? What is going on? No, but seriously, what's going on? Okay, we're trying your guys' Starbucks fall drinks. So because we've already done a Starbucks video, by the time this goes up, that video, the Starbucks video will already be up. But since I've already done like a fall Starbucks drinks last year, I wanted to get your guys' like orders, right? So like the nitty gritty. So right here we have 3 blonde shots over ice, venti cup, 2 white mocha, 2 pumpkin with cream and pumpkin foam. That is a lot of stuff. I don't know how, like I don't usually, I have used the app to order, but I don't usually use the app to order, and I feel like these are really difficult, but also I don't wanna hold up the drive-through line. You kind of catch my drift. But also, I feel like I'm not gonna be able to order this here. So like, where is even a white mocha? Is that coffee? I feel like I don't know anything. All right, let's see. Nitro cold brew, not available. Oh, ice flat white. Okay, I feel so stupid because one of the girls was like, venti ice flat white with vanilla and toffee nut. And I was like, you mean a white mocha? And she hasn't replied yet, so. Okay, nice. Ice flat white. Add vanilla. Okay, add, how do I add stuff? Flavors, toppings. Ugh. With, okay. Is it a topping? This is like a whole thing, you guys. I really didn't know this was such a thing. Okay, where's toffee nut? toffee nuts.
Is this like a trend for you guys? Like who can make the most difficult order? No, I'm not saying like, I'm just saying women in general. I'm not like,
oh, sue us because we're paying for a drink and we want it to taste exactly how we want.
But for me, I just don't get why fall comes and you guys are so excited to give a difficult order to Starbucks.
Because it's pumpkin.
Because of one pumpkin flavor, you guys want to make a crazy ass like order.
Okay,
just don't get it. That's just me. I don't know.
Salted.
Maybe I'm just uninformed. Maybe I just don't know what you guys know. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
so,
I think you don't know, man.
Let me know what you guys think about that.
They don't have the pumpkin cream. I found the flat white that she was talking about and I was like, is that a white mocha? And she was like, no, it's called a flat white, but I'd never heard of that before. So I know I say I'm a coffee connoisseur, you guys, but like, not that much. Babe, I think we might have to just go order this. I'm kind of embarrassed.
I am too. I probably won't. Come back for me. It's crazy because you guys like will say these crazy difficult orders and in the back of Starbucks they probably have like 5 flavors that they just pump in there real quick.
No, you can taste it.
I'm just kidding. I know there's a lot of flavors.
Like you can totally taste it.
Let's give a shout out to a couple people here that we're choosing.
Enchiladas Rojas. She said ice blonde vanilla latte with almond milk with pumpkin cream, cold foam, yum. Dalia Reyes, Tanya Zambrano. Tanya Zambrano came in hot with like 5 of them. Daisy Gone 95. Hey girl, hey, I am Brittany. 2 espresso shots, 3 pumps of white mocha with half and half on ice. That sounds really like loaded. But this is this is for the vlog. This is not part of that video.